and friends. It is 1:02 and I am up making a smoothie. I just took a shower, late night food, and drink all in one. I'll show you guys.